Souls, and welcome back to Nora's gardening journey. Today's video is not just about plants or chickens. It's about what happens when something you trust turns dangerous and how you pick yourself back up when nature throws you a curveball. So it's been a heavy few days here in the little suburban backyard in Melbourne. I lost one of my beloved chickens overnight, and it all started with a bag of feed. So if you are raising chicken in your backyard, this story could save your whole flock. So stay with me through the end, where I will share a feed recipe you wish you knew sooner. So I wake up just after dawn. The birds were chirping, the beautiful breeze in this autumn morning. Just another peaceful morning in Melbourne's northern suburbs, and I made my tea, checked the veggie patch, and then headed to the coop. But something felt off. It was too quiet. So when I opened the door, my heart dropped. One of my chicks, my babies, was slumped, and it was absolutely frightening. So what exactly went wrong? I had just introduced a new protein-rich feed. It came from a local supplier I bought from for months, but the expiry date was printed vaguely and it had gone toxic. Now, just for a fact here, expired protein feed, it ferments into a silent killer. It actually mimics respiratory distress, and you think that it's illness, but really it is poison. So lesson learned, don't just check expiry dates, just check manufacture dates as well, because if it is missing, then it's best not to use it. So I didn't have time to wait for a vet. I just grabbed the herb basket and I made an emergency detox using things like I had on hand charcoal powder, garlic water, and turmeric. And I held that chick. I spoke softly and I did what I could, giving all the chickens that feed. I started giving them activated charcoal, garlic infused water, turmeric with warm water, and I had syringe feed 1 to 2 drops at a time. And that night I cleared every trace of commercial feed. So from now on, it's natural greens only, real food I can grind by hand and see with my eyes. So here is my new chicken feed mix, and this is what you need to get started. I used 2 cups of crushed wheat, 1 cup of barley, half a cup of red lentils, and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. If you don't have flax seeds, sometimes I use pumpkin seeds in there, and just a drizzle of olive oil. It is slower, yes it is, but it is safe. And in this a context, safety is really a tile.
Daarbij never mind dienst. It is spirit me agis das ball so expose on trashine. Sons on me penny insurance pada. He standards domestic lactates. Sisi bila to feed their beast to stretch so much as the last sketch stunts for das odds on the schwer some if to trade for things and class and separate in near the lights then the Jersey Jesus stress. Truly emotionally much involved with ice dust. I love it. Just true this.
So it's like here is just in a easy then dreamy and science good dreams.
This is not alone, it's a child revolution. So all the some good groups are we found out and
This is emotional shit. I just say yes, so to done it. Is the big of one favorite little cake for.
So I hope that this video has helped you in a way to not only check the expiry date, but check the manufacturer date, and always as much as you can to just make your own natural chicken feed with love as well. That way you know exactly what ingredients there are, you know what your chickens need, and you give it to them. Now here is the recipe. I'd like to share that with you again. 2 cups of wheat, 1 cup of barley, half a cup of lentils, and also a little drizzle of olive oil. You can also add in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the water weekly, and as optional herbs you are free to add either dried oregano, fennel, or basil as well, and they will thrive. Now I shared these stories because usually no one really talks about this part, the loss, the guilt, the learning curve that comes with backyard chicken keeping or quail keeping, but we're all in this together. This journey, it's real and it is worth it. So if you are a backyard gardener, a chicken keeper, or just someone seeking a softer life, stick around. This is your place too, and like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon if you are interested in content such as these. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have an amazing, polite day. All the best.